Aha! Hi Flutter Dev, welcome back to the Flutter Benders channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today, we're not going to be doing all of that boring stuff that we've been doing so far. Today, I want to review the little secret of WhatsApp for iOS users to us. Yes. Do you know that on WhatsApp for iOS today, you can actually read a message without actually reading it? What do I mean? Follow me guys, let me show you. The moment you receive a new message on WhatsApp, you can actually long press on the particular chat and then you get a preview of what that chat is and then see the new message that just came in. So you just read the message without actually notifying the other party that you've read their message. This is for the case of people that have their read receipts on. Well, there's a widget in Flutter that can actually do this for you, and that widget is called the CupertinoContextMenuWidget. So today I'm going to be showing us how to use that widget. So guys, let's go. We will start by creating a stateful widget called context menu. We will give it a scaffold and an app bar with a body of a grid view builder widget. Then in the item builder, we are going to give it a clipper rect widget with a border radius of 20. The child of the clipper rect is going to be the CupertinoContextMenu.builder widget. We're also going to give it a builder method, returning an image network, and then a list of actions which are going to be displayed under the CupertinoContextMenu widget. And this is what our widgets look like. We are going to go ahead to long press on each of these images and we can see the preview. However, if we notice, some of these images are not filling up the screen and this is not the behavior that we want. To fix that, we will wrap our image in a size box with a height of 300 and a width of 90% of the screen. Now, when we check out our widget again, we can see that it looks a lot better compared to what we had. However, what if we wanted to show these widgets with the image in the grid view builder and we wanted to show a separate widget in the preview? How do we do that? To do that, we'll check if the animation value is less than CupertinoContextMenu.animation opens at. If it's less than it, we'll return the image.network, and if not, we'll return the container that has 50% of the height of the screen and a width of the screen, obviously. Then we'll also give you the child of a card, a center, and then a text. Going back to our widget, when we long press on each of the widgets, we'll see that we have the image as the actual widget and then a separate widget for the preview. Now that you know how to use the CupertinoContextMenu widget, you can go ahead to include it as a feature in your app. But when users start reading messages without actually reading it, don't tell them that I'm the one that taught you. My hand is not there. Okay? Alright, thank you guys for joining this session. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace.